In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Mobile Notes. We'll walk through opening the app, creating your first note, organizing with folders, and connecting ideas with links and tags so everything stays easy to find. Start by opening Obsidian on your phone. When the app loads, you'll see your vault, which is simply your collection of notes. From here, tap Create New Note. Give the note a clear title so you recognize it later. Something like My First Mobile Note works great. Then begin typing. A simple starter could be, "Today I learned how to use Obsidian on my phone," followed by a few quick points or sentences. Keep your thoughts in short lines so they're easy to skim later. Remember, Obsidian saves automatically, so you can focus on writing. Next, it's time to organize. Look to the top left of the screen for the box-shaped icon. That opens the navigation panel where you can see all your files. Inside this panel, tap the folder icon to create a new folder. Give it a name that matches your workflow, such as notes or projects. Folders help you separate ideas by topic or area of life, keeping your vault tidy as it grows. As you create more notes, connect related ideas using Obsidian's internal links. Type double brackets, then the note name, like project ideas, and select it from the suggestions. This instantly builds a two-way connection, making it easy to jump between thoughts. To add quick context and make searching effortless, include tags directly in your note with a hash, like number learning or number mobile. Use consistent tag names so future you can filter notes in seconds. That's it. Open Obsidian, create a note, organize with folders, and tie it all together with links and tags. You're ready to capture ideas anywhere and find them fast.